Have you ever wondered what a Smith chart is used for? Well, you're about to find out. The Smith chart, named after its creator Philip H. Smith, is a fascinating graphical tool that electrical engineers frequently use. It's a brilliant method to plot complex numbers and can prove incredibly handy, especially in radio frequency engineering. It's a tool that has stood the test of time, and it continues to be a vital resource for engineers worldwide. So let's delve deeper and uncover what makes this tool so essential. Now that you know what a Smith chart is, it's time to dissect its components. The Smith chart is a fascinating tool, and it's made up of three main components: the resistance circle, the reactance circle, and the unity circle. Let's start with the resistance circle. This circle represents the real part of the impedance. It's crucial for understanding how much resistance is present in a circuit. The size of the resistance circle can give you an idea of how much energy is being absorbed, or in other words, how much resistance there is to the flow of energy. Next, we have the reactance circle. This represents the imaginary part of the impedance. It's all about the ability of a circuit to store energy. A larger reactance circle indicates a greater capacity for energy storage. Whether it's inductive reactance, storing energy in a magnetic field, or capacitive reactance, storing energy in an electric field, it's the reactance circle that gives us this key insight. Finally, there's the unity circle. This represents the normalized impedance, essentially the ratio of the impedance to a reference value. It's a way to simplify and standardize our measurements, making it easier to compare and contrast different circuits. Each component plays a vital role, working together to plot complex numbers on this unique chart. We've explored the Smith chart and its components, but let's summarize what we've learned. This ingenious tool, developed by Philip H. Smith in the early 20th century, has become a cornerstone in the world of electrical engineering. It is a graphical aid designed for solving problems related to transmission lines and matching circuits. The Smith chart is a two-dimensional graph with circles and arcs that represents complex numbers. On one side we have the resistance, on the other the reactance. By combining these two, we can represent complex impedance and reflection coefficients, making it an invaluable tool for engineers. But remember, it's not just about knowing its components. Appreciating the Smith chart is about understanding its purpose and how it allows engineers to visualize and solve complex problems in a simplified way. So the next time someone mentions a Smith chart, you'll not only know what it is, but also how it works. That's the beauty of understanding complex tools. It makes the world of technology a little less daunting.